In this video, we're going to talk about this Nanuk 930 hard case. I've had this case for several years now and been a big fan of it. I love the way the handle on the front pops out. It stays out of the way when you're not using it. The latches are really easy to use. You pull that lever down and they flip out. Nanuk also has replacement latches that can be locked using TSA approved locks. The case has got dual padlock slots as well on the front, so that's handy to have built right in. You also have these rings where you can attach a strap to carry it. There's also a built-in pressure release valve on the front as well. I bought this case specifically because I wanted it to be a little bit bigger than I needed for my Ronin S, so I won't have to unscrew all the parts and realign all the parts of the Ronin every time. The case comes with eggshell foam for the lid that can be removed. It's got a rubber gasket that's supposed to help keep water out. You get 2 trays worth of this pluck and peel. I haven't used the bottom one yet. And then one more piece of foam on the bottom for additional padding. So this is what the case looks like empty. Another thing that's really cool about Nanuk is if you don't like the foam on the inside, you can buy the case empty, or you can also purchase the case with the padded dividers. Here's the strap. They do make you buy this separately. It's padded. It's really comfortable. It's got these super easy to use latches. Overall, a great solid case. I really like it. If you're interested in buying these, I have links in the description below.